I'm cooking mukimo, and first I had to boil this maize. This is plain maize. Yeah, so I have to sieve it here now in this sieve. So this is for mukimo. It has already been boiled and it's okay. So I have to sieve it and put it aside. Yeah, so let me show you the vegetable I'm going to use to cook mukimo. So this is the vegetable. I have already cleaned it in a way, but I'm going to wash it. And then
how is it called?
It's called risosa in our language, but in our language it's called ngorora. So this is it's being used to make mokimo in central part of Kenya, but even Nyanza. So I can't wait to show you how it's being cooked. So these peeled potatoes, I'm just going to boil them.
To put them first in the stuffing.
Yeah, see, this is a plain spharia. So what I'll do, I'll just add plain water without salt, nothing. Uh, so I'll have to add some water so that I want it to cook until it becomes soft. So I'll just go put it direct on my gas and then wait it for it to become so soft. So after becoming soft, then you will see how I'm going to make this mukimo. Just stay tuned till the end. Yeah, now I've put my boiled maize in my sufuria. Now my potatoes, now they have already been boiled. They are ready. They have become soft. So what I'll do, I'll just add these veggies of mukimo. So these veggies, I'm just going to add them like this and steam them. These veggies, they are very soft in nature. So the moment you steam them, they become more soft. Yeah, they become more soft.
Excuse me, you do not cut it?
No, you don't cut it. This one, you don't cut it. So you just put it like this. Guys, you can hear my champion is just asking questions because she wants to make also perfect mukimo. Yeah, so I put it in my sufuria and steam it. I just want to steam it before I start smashing them. Okay, so I'll just steam it for around 5 minutes is okay. The love for mukimo is real. After you smash the mukimo, you have to make a separate, you fry onions separate. I said to cut the long onions. So I have to fry it until it becomes brown, golden brown. So that I'll just put on top of what the smashed mukimo. Let's cook together. Yeah, you have to wait until it turns golden brown. Okay, this is how your onion should look like, brown, golden brown. Yeah, it's now ready. This is my mukimo. So what I'll do, I'll just add these fried onions. You know, this mukimo had it had no oil, nothing.
Only salt.
Only salt. Yeah, only salt. So I add the fried brown onions. So what I'll do, I'm going to mix it so that we see what's next. Yeah, so this is what you do after you add the onions and the oil. You can serve this one with liver, meat soup, beef. Yeah, it's ready. You can take it also with tea or milk. Yeah, this is the final result of our mukimo. You can rate it out of 10, please.